We live in a changing world. Many generations profited from the economic model that dominates the world nowadays. But this model is now facing challenges that are putting it at risk. It cannot sustain itself anymore, and the traditional way of making money, producing and generating an income is becoming obsolete. But crises are also opportunities of success for those who grab them. If you're willing to take advantage of this opportunity, we're looking for you. You, who left a successful career to become a mom and take care of the children. You, the born entrepreneur who's tried again and again to start your own business. You, who as a young person doesn't understand schedules or cubicles and whose best version of yourself develops in freedom. You, who works night and day for a fixed salary that depends on the number of hours you work. This is the opportunity you were waiting for. It's time you develop the way you make money and adapt to change. How does a business that has learned to adapt and take advantage of the changes in the modern world and that has reconnected with nature through technology sound? One that has everything already organized into a replicable system and that only needs your time and effort and minimal cost to start. A business where you enroll with FuXion, a solid international company dedicated to the production of unique functional foods, healthy drinks, which are in high demand, and from which it's created a system which will help you evolve into a leader in the industry with the highest growth in recent years, the wellness industry. With a presence in more than 17 countries, FuXion has changed the lives of thousands of people that have decided to take charge of their own future and start their own business, minimizing the risks of investment by leveraging on a successful proven system. FuXion offers you the opportunity of having your own business, beginning with a direct sales position, which gives you everything you need to start in your free time at your convenience and generate an income from week one. What's the secret that makes this business so profitable? The key word is leverage. You leverage on a company that's done much of the work for you. FuXion controls the entire process of research, production, and development of its products, passing on the promotion and distribution to independent entrepreneurs. FuXion makes their job easier through technology and delivery. The company doesn't waste money on publicity or marketing, which generates huge savings that benefits its independent distributors. This system offers products with highly competitive prices and profit margins for its distributors. And how does this work? Simple. Remember we talked about leverage? Well, now you must propel yourself with the help of your team to bring FuXion products to more and more people. Imagine that you try a soft drink that makes you feel great and is good for your health. Would you recommend it to your friends and family? Of course. Well, imagine that you make a profit every time they drink this beverage. It sounds great, right? But it gets even better. Now imagine that as they also feel great, they're going to recommend this drink to their friends and family, and you're going to earn a percentage when they buy it, and so on. All this can be done in person or through a personalized virtual store where your friends and contacts will be able to buy anytime and anywhere they want. By using this system of personally recommending something, there are more and more families that have made FuXion an important source of income, earning commissions of up to 50% of their total sales. And if you teach your friends to do the same as you, your network of clients and your distribution team will grow. And so will your career, with bonuses, trips, and rewards that acknowledge your effort and that of your team, all this while improving your lifestyle. The world is changing, and this is the opportunity to change with it. To rethink your strategy, to achieve the freedom of time and money you've always wanted. This is the ideal moment to join the unstoppable movement that aims to be the #1 wellness organization for the world. Opportunities like this don't come twice. May the next success story be yours. FuXion, we improve your life.